Hi, it's Amy. So, I posted on Hi, I'm Ron's wall on Facebook on his fan page, and he wrote to me back, which is exciting, and I got really excited. And his song Unicorn Heart has been in my head for a really long time, and I made a ringtone out of it. And he then got really excited, saying he would love to see a video of it just because, he's Ron. So, this is for you. So yeah, there it is. I'll put this on your wall, and this is Amy Elise from before. Um, that's about it. You're awesome. And yeah.